If you have a Rogue Echo bike with one of these tops and the speaker starts to fuzz at you, basically this guy is making this low pitch squeal, and then it builds and builds and builds until it becomes quite annoying. Basically, just unscrew everything, get it off the back, right? So detach it, there's just screws around, then open it up, and then there is a speaker right here, which this guy doesn't need a speaker, so I just detached it, and there's the insides of it, and everything is A-okay. So no more sound because, well, there's no more sound. Easy fix.